Paula, when you get to the chorus, make sure that you keep your melodies inflated and you're pushing away your melody slightly all the way through. You did a really great job of the end of that chorus, but it was just the love, the one, and the tension and protection that we needed to get on top of. So hear me. It's you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Now you sing that at home. Push pause, sing it at home. Get right on top of those melodies, particularly love and one. Get on top of tension here. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should have let me. Okay. Now, the end of that was very good, what you did then, Paula, but push pause until we just practice that right now as well, too.